guys, welcome to Brookside Westlands. This is one of the most prestigious locations here in Nairobi, and today I'm here to showcase you this wonderful two-bedroom apartment starting from 132 square meter, and the price starts from 16 million Kenya shillings. It features this wonderful space. This happens to be your kitchen. It's an open kitchen concept that allows you to live comfortably, and you can be able to entertain your guests here in this small space, living small but large. This is your fully fitted kitchen. It comes with this equipment, and that's the food extractor and extra storage. This road leads to your utility area, and then also have appliances here from Hisense, microwave and an oven, and a provision for your fridge. This other side you have your dining space. I love the open kitchen concept, it's very good. This is your lounge, and it features this very big balcony which is quite spacious. As you can see, the distance between here and here, it's good, allowing you to host and stay here freely. It also has this huge sliding door that allows in tons of natural light. Let's come to this other side. That's your common washroom. Comes with a vanity setup and a towel warmer with a smart toilet. This is bedroom number one. Bedroom number one is quite spacious. It has gypsum ceiling and spotlights. On the other side, you have your cabinetries, and that happens to be your bed space. And then I love the laminated floors, quite beautiful, and you have these nice and beautiful tiles. Come this way. This is your master bedroom. Master bedroom is quite big. It has a balcony onto that side. That's the balcony, as you can see, with view of Brookside. We're just close to the area, to the main road, sorry. So being in Brookside comes with a lot of advantage. First of all, you're just a minute to the expressway or Westlands, or to the any social place you want to go. We have shopping areas and all this place. We have amenities including a kids play area, backup generator, lounge, sauna, steam, 24-hour CCTV cameras, and we also have security manning the areas. And on top of that, you can be able to access so many malls around here, including Westgate Mall, Junction Mall. You can also go to Rivers from this here because it's strategically located. Come to this side. This is the toilet. Comes with a vanity setup, a smart toilet, and also you have your shower cubicle. Come back to this side. Let me tell you about this project. So the completion will be next year, June, and you can do a 20% deposit, and the balance you pay until completion. So you do a 20% deposit, balance until completion, which is June next year. So if you're interested in these units, you can just reach out to me on my website, or you can call me on the number on your screen, or you can contact me via WhatsApp. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Invest today while you still have the time. See you in the next video. Adios.